In this video, we're going to look inside the Pilot Institute drone training course. Pilot Institute is one of the most popular drone pilot courses on the market, and they've had over 150,000 students enroll in their classes. They have extremely high review rates at a 4.9 out of 5 with over 10,000 ratings. So obviously they're doing something right. The Pilot Institute has drone courses as well as airplane courses. We're going to focus on their Part 107 commercial drone license course, and we're going to take a look inside this course. So let's do that now. Once you enroll and you log in, you're going to see that you have access to the different courses that you've signed up for in their learning admin area. And let's take a look at the Part 107 Made Easy. As you can see here, we are seeing the course curriculum, and there's a ton of information in this course. You have the course introduction. It goes through all of the different aspects of what you're going to get inside the course. You can download the cheat sheet, flashcard app, and several different things in the introduction. And then you get into loading and performance, new regulation, airport operations, radio communications, airspace, charts, weather theory, weather services, aeronautical decision making, physiological factors, maintenance and inspections, practice FAA exams, how to apply and stay current, and you get bonus videos. So it's a ton of information to help you pass the Part 107 exam, and there's just nothing else like it on the market. It's definitely the premier drone pilot training course on the market to help you pass the FAA's Part 107 exam. Let's just take a look at inside a couple of the sections here to show you how it looks. It's all video based, which is pretty nice.
Do you want to successfully pass your Part 107 written exam and learn something along the way? This is your Part 107 course, Made Easy. This is the only class that you'll need in order to not only successfully pass the test, but also become knowledgeable in the aviation ecosystem.
Let's take a look at this particular section. As you can see,
Aware of what aircraft and how airplanes fly, because down the line you could be flying a fixed wing aircraft, and this is not a quadcopter license that you're getting. You're getting a small UAS license, and a small UAS can be a lot of different things. Please bear with me. It's almost 100% guaranteed about how airplanes fly, because down the line you could be flying a fixed wing aircraft, and this is not a quadcopter license that you're getting. You're getting a small UAS license, and a small UAS can be a lot of different things. So please bear with me. Even if you don't fly a fixed wing at the moment, there will be questions on the test, almost 100% guaranteed, about airplanes. So you need to be aware of this. So let's talk about...
Greg goes into a lot of information that you're going to need for this exam. And as I said, it's an incredible amount of information. Let's take a look at some of the sections here. You got axis of rotation, forces of flight, principles of lift, Newton-Bernoulli, weight, thrust. I could go on and on. There's over 15 hours of information, and it's everything you're going to need to pass the Part 107 exam. So it's very simple to navigate. When you're done with one section, you just complete and continue to go to the next one.
Let's go ahead and talk about the 4 forces of flight. And first, let's start with a fixed wing aircraft. So let's go ahead and talk about why this is kind of important, and which is the stalls.
I want to cover this part before I end this video, and to say that you can get the 2-for-1 bundle, Part 107 Made Easy, and the Drone Maneuvers Mastery is part of a package, and that's a great way to go. We can take a look here at the Drone Maneuvers Mastery, and there is just a lot of great information here on how to operate your drone, from introduction, aerodynamics and flight controls, and then maneuvers, description, And then Greg goes into a lot of different maneuvers that you can do with your drone. 1-star maneuvers, 2-star maneuvers, 3-star maneuvers, 4-star maneuvers. And so let's just take a quick look at one of these here.
Maneuver number 2 is part of the vertical maneuvers, where we're going to be practicing sideways flying and climbing and descending. Try to maintain, again, the 10 feet, plus or minus 10 feet in this case, just to make sure that you remain within the standards. And the way that this is going to be laid out is all a vertical plan, so no depth movement. And in this case, we're going to start at 10 feet in the opposite direction. Now you can go up. And I'm going to go up from 10 feet to about 40 feet in this case. And once I get to 40 feet, now I'm keeping an eye on my drone at the same time.
So you can see in these particular modules and lessons, Greg not only talks about the maneuver, he actually then shows it being done live on screen. Incredible amount of information here. Just wanted to show this to show you that to get that bundle package with Part 107 made easy, and Drone Maneuvers Mastery is really a great option if you want to learn how to properly operate your drone. So as you can see, the Pilot Institute drone training is an incredible course. It has so much available. You will have everything you need to pass the Part 107 exam. And on top of that, they offer many different courses. It's not just this particular course. You can get a 2-for-1 bundle, Part 107 Made Easy and the Drone Maneuvers Mastery. Drone Maneuvers Mastery, you can buy that as a single course. They even have Drone Business Made Easy, Commercial Pilot Bundle Part 107 and Drone Business Made Easy. So you have many different courses that you can take, but if you're simply looking to pass your Part 107 exam, this is definitely the course that you'll want to take. It is the best on the market, and you can find more information about Pilot Institute below this video, and look for any special offers. Just look for the link below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped.
Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.